Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another project video. As you can see, I'm not in the workshop just yet. I'm currently on my way to go and see if there's any chopped down logs that I can go collect. So let's get up onto the trail. It might take me a couple of trips depending on how much is up there and how much I want to bring back. I don't need a lot, I just need a few pieces to make a few coffee spoon scoops. That's easy for me to say. Let's go and see what we can get. So I've definitely picked the wrong day. These are very wet from the rain, but I want to get some done, so it's going to take me a couple of trips. I'm going to do a couple of pieces just this big, be plenty big enough for some spoons and some scoops. There might be a few little smaller chunks, like bigger logs but smaller, which I'll come back for as well, but I'll catch up with you once I get to the workshop. Just made it back to the car. That's my first trip. I only carried one log because I had my camera bag. It's clear to see that people think I'm a crazy woman walking around the trail, coming across the road with logs on my shoulder. But we need spoons, so I've just screwed down the log to a piece of scrap MDF, which I can use then to run along the fence, and I'll stop the log from wobbling over and binding on the blade. So I'll just get one edge, flip it over, get a second edge, and then I can do the rest then against the fence, and obviously cut them down to size and cut out the blanks ready for doing the carving. So I'm going to keep this bit because the shape of that, the natural curve of the wood, is going to make a nice little spoon. Got two blanks cut out now. I'll take these home. This will be the first time I've done a scoop like this, but I can't imagine it'll be much different to doing any spoons. So yeah, looking forward to taking them home, and let's get carving. Okay, so I've got my coffee beans, just to keep an eye on the depth. So that's one portion there, one scoop fits in. Obviously it's not flush, so on the next one I'll make sure that I either go deeper or I'll make the scoop wider. But I think that's going to be a good place to start. So we'll put the coffee beans back in the tin. We're almost there now, just got some more final touches to do. Final cleanup. I've let the spoon dry overnight. Usually I'd let it dry a little bit longer. However, for the sake of the video, I'm just going to apply the finish now. And once the wood then has soaked up all that finish, dried out a little bit more, I'll do the same and keep applying the finish, obviously throughout the lifetime of the scoop. This is the finished scoop and what it looks like. I've gone for almost like 2 ovals. I quite like the design and the shape of it, and it's really nice in the hand. It starts to taper down, as you can see there. That's the back of the handle, the front of the scoop, and obviously the 2 sides. So like I said, I'll apply some finish now and then I'll leave you with some final shots of the scoop. You'll probably see more carving videos as the weeks go on because I just want to try it out. It was a really fun carving to do. As always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see more future videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next project. Bye.